40 questions. No hints, just English. Can you handle it? Let's get started. Find the closest synonym of deduce. Answer B, infer. Which is a synonym of paper? Answer C, sheet. What does put someone on the spot mean? Answer D, pressure. What does set your sights on mean? Answer C, aim for. Choose the antonym of weaken. Answer B, reinforce. What is the antonym of suppress? Answer D, encourage. Choose the antonym of empty. Answer C, full. Choose the correct plural of berry. Answer B, berries. What is the plural form of territory? Answer A, territories. Choose the correct plural of sheaf. Answer D, sheaves. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer B, the sun has risen already. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer C, she is afraid of dogs. Can you guess the missing word? Answer D, I quite enjoy cooking Italian food. What is the past form of shine? Answer A, shone. Choose the past tense of thrive. Answer C, throve. What is the past form of slit? Answer A, slit. Choose the correct spelling. Answer B, celebration. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D, excited. Identify the correct spelling. Answer A, protective. Which is a synonym of broke? Answer C, bankrupt. Pick a synonym of mind. Answer B, brain. Choose a synonym of significant. Answer D, important. What does have a soft spot for mean? Answer B. Like. What does "let sleeping dogs lie" mean? Answer A. Avoid trouble. What does "pour oil on troubled waters" mean? Answer C. Calm conflict. Choose the antonym of disloyal. Answer A. Steadfast. Opposite of tight. Answer C. Loose. Choose the correct plural of theory. Answer A. Theories. What is the plural form of press? Answer D. Presses. Choose the correct plural of subtlety. Answer A. Subtleties. Fill the gap. Answer B. His consistent behavior made him a trusted leader. Can you guess the missing word? Answer D. I will make the best arrangement for the meeting. Fill the gap. Answer A. He appears to be tired today. Choose the past form of gird. Answer D. Girt. What's the past tense of set? Answer D. Set. Choose the past form of shake. Answer C. Shook. Just 4 more to finish. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Adequately. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D. Commonly. Identify the correct spelling. Answer A. Disrupt. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Seldom. Congratulations! You made it! How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe.